Hey, it's me again. I want to show you kind of the conversation that I had with meta.ai. Um, I'll tell you the context. I was frustrated. I was trying to convert my files from MOV, which is what records when you record on a Mac. You go Shift Command 5, and you can record your screen. This is how I make my videos on on my Mac, especially when I'm doing tutorials. So I was frustrated because I was trying to do it between iMovie, and I still couldn't get it to convert. And then I was trying to do it with QuickTime Player, still couldn't get it to convert. So I asked this question to Meta. Can we build a quick, small program that will convert MOV to MP4? I'm tired. Just something that I can run. Baby, this thing did it, and I did it, and I'm able to do it, and we're going to go through it. As I go through it, I'm going to actually show it to you. So it said, let's build a simple script to convert MOV to MP4, which I need to do I need it for TikTok, and I need it for YouTube. You need to have it in that video format. If you've ever run into an issue where you were trying to do something and you couldn't, because the video file wasn't right, well, this is how you do it. And it says using FFmpeg. Now listen, FMPG is a powerful open source media processing tool that can be used to convert video and audio files. People have those converters online. You always see those converters, how you can convert. This is how they're doing it. But now us as regular folk, we can build our own applications, is what I did, to convert my files for my projects. Here is the code. It gave me the code. There is the complete code. And then it explains the code to you. Look at that. It's explaining it. It's explaining what it is and how it works. I mean, to use this script, it shows you save the script as an sh.sh file. I saved the script as a .hs file, right? And then it says make the script executable. Even shows you, and this, folks, I remember from my days in college, Pico. This is actually a powerful, because this is changing the file accessibility. And those are the commands. I did the commands. And then it says run the script by typing the script that we created, and you replace the input file with the file name. Folks, I did that. Okay, so then I went back and I said, you know what? Sorry, one more piece. I need to be able to select TikTok resolution or YouTube. Can we add that without making it a bigger project? Let's add a simple option to select the output resolution. Wow. We can modify the script and between TikTok user, and it did it. And it's writing script. This is code, folks. I'm not writing this. This is writing this. Here's what changed. It explains everything. Look, folks, there's no excuse not to be knowledgeable. Taking time just to listen to me. All right? And so I had ran into problems with my text editor and on and on. So I'm going to skip down because we got all that straight. Okay? How do you put the script in the same folder? It even tells you you don't even have to do that. So it even showed me how we go all the way down. Let's try running the script. Okay, so I need to put the script path. Yes, okay. And then I said, okay. You see how it's having a conversation? And then I actually put in what the output was on my side. And it said, okay, it looks like the terminal's not finding the script. Alrighty then. Okay. And I said, well, right quick, what command to check to see if my permissions are correct? It even gave me the command. Okay. And it tells you what the command is. You don't have to know how to program anymore. I see why programmers are not happy. Okay. So then when we get down to it, I asked it, okay, here's the complete command. So I said, are you able to just give me the complete command? Because I was having trouble with the file command. And he did. So from right here, I'm going to go ahead, because I'm going to already be in scripts directory in my terminal. I'm going to go ahead and run this file. Okay, I'm going to bring up my terminal, and I'm going to run this file, paste. Okay? But I'm going to change it to, because I got a test file in there already, I want to change it to, we're going to just change this to test, because I already made one, .mov. So I got a test file already in there. And if I put this script in there, because I'm already in there, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so now it's asking me, what do you want to set this file to? And just right quick, I want to bring up, if I can, so you know that I want to go to my script file right quick. Okay, because I do everything crazy. That on my file. So I want to show you. You see currently it's in the test.mov. That's the file that is in right now. Okay, so now I'm going to change this over with this thing. I'm going to go ahead and change it. So it says, if you want to make it for TikTok or YouTube, it's going to make it an MP4 file, but it's asking me, which one do you want this file for? So I'm going to say, I'm going to make it for YouTube. And I'm going to hit enter. And bam, it's converting that file to an MP4 file. People, do you realize what this thing is doing? This thing is doing what you go online, you're trying to find coders, and you're trying to make a file from one format to another. Look, this doesn't just have to apply to that. You can build anything you want with meta.ai. That's what's so scary about this. You can build your own stuff, okay? Now, let's see, because it finished, it did the conversion. Now, let me go back and see if I can get into that file. Look, there's an MP4 file. Now, that file has been converted from MOV to MP4. And if I run it, let's see, can I run it? For my screen for the purposes of what I'm going to show you what I built with AI. So this is a quick question. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is artificial intelligence that uses natural processing language to communicate. Really? Okay, that's a lot. That right? That's a lot, right? Okay, what does that actually mean? Okay, so this breaks it down. DNA, chat. Now you really can't see that because I didn't know it was going to be that big. That's not what I'm trying to do here. What I'm trying to show you is this artificial intelligence, Meta AI, built me a program so that I would not have to go crazy trying to convert files. You can write it to convert any files, right? You can tell Meta to maybe write something to convert. I'll just try it right quick. If we have time, I'll just try it because I went all the way through and I've asked it for some other stuff that I want to build. The thing is, not only can you build apps and programs that help you do things that you're trying to do every day on a computer, but also you can build apps and programs that you can sell as a service, software as a service, software as a service, SaaS, SaaS. That's what SaaS is. And you can literally have this thing, build it, put it up on a website, and we're going to do all of that. Each day, we're going to do something. We're going to build programs that help you do it. So if I say, build, I'm making this up as I go. You can work on your prompt engineering. But I find that meta.ai is very easy to work with. But there's Meta, there's ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's Gemini, there's Perplexity. all of these AIs, and guess what? You can do it with the free version. I'm on the free version of meta.ai, and I gotta tell you, it is very sophisticated. Okay, but let me get back to it. Can we build a simple app that can convert a Word, I don't know if it's going to do it, document, let's see, into a PDF. Simple as possible. Now let's just see what it does. It may give us some long thing. Yes, listen, look, I'm showing it to you in real time. Oh man, look, it breaks it down, people. It's breaking it, and look, it gave you the code. It's giving you the code. I'm going to build it later, but it's giving you the code. Look at that. Woo-wee! Don't tell me. Look at that. So you build it in Python, and it goes through every step quickly. We can use a library like Python docs. This is how I've learned Python, guys. I've learned Python by doing this. Pip install. I install this. You can do it, and you can tell it I'm in Windows. I'm on a Mac, and it'll write it for you. But look, here you go. Here's the code. Here's the whole code. This thing will convert your documents, right? We can build a simple GUI using framework like Thinker. It builds the whole thing for you. I've built it. So that's all for my tutorial today. I just wanted you guys to have a great understanding of what the implications are to this app AI. Artificial intelligence is no joke. It's going to make a lot of millionaires, and I'm intending to be one of them. I hope you join me. Have a great Saturday night. Matter of fact, do something cool on Saturday night. Build an app in meta.ai. Bye.